Porthos, Aramis, and me, D'Artagnan.
No, D'Artagnan was a boy, not a girl, Wendy.
D'Artagnan is a last name. Let us assume that he's my brother, who took a sick leave. I took his place. Let's not forget that we're all the Three Musketeers.
I'm sorry to interrupt you again, but we are 4, so we can't be the Three Musketeers. If we're 4, we should be the 4 Musketeers.
The book is called The Three Musketeers, so we will be 3, even though we are 4 Musketeers. Well then, we need to find the Queen's earrings and save her.
Oh, my brave Musketeers, bring me back my earrings. I forgot them across the river. If I don't get them back, my parents will punish me.
And beware of the Cardinal's guards.
No, don't stop! I will hold them back!
No, you won't. We will hold you back.
No, you won't! I will hold you back!
No, we will.
No, I will!
No, we will.
No, I will!
Guys, let's
I
hold
will.
somebody back already.
Get the Musketeers.
Ooh.
Hey, George. Aramis. Hold him. Why can't you do it yourself? I promised my mom to come home early today. How could I hold them back? What's wrong with him? I've got a serious disease. It's called a dry gulch syndrome.
A dry gulch syndrome? Is it contagious?
Yes, very. Well, tell me, how can it be cured? Can you bring me that plantain leaf from over there? I think George succeeded in holding them back.
Here are the earrings. Whoa! Ethan, grab the earrings. Save the Queen.
We are giving you back the dry gulch syndrome. I say your Aramis didn't hold us much. Right away, I knew he was faking it. I know him so very well.
Don't play the fool with the Cardinal's guards.
The Queen's earrings. She forgot them in the forest, and her parents would give her a scolding. Too bad that neither of you, my dear and brave Musketeers, could bring these studs back to Her Majesty. Instead of doing it that way, the Cardinal's guards would bring them to her. Is that real? The Cardinal's guards would save the Queen and not the brave Musketeers?
I don't like this ending at all. Let's get them. Come on.
Thank you all, my brave and loyal lifesavers.
Well, the ending of the play is a bit unexpected, but why not indeed? Bravo!
Wow, they didn't get that much applause in the book. That's so very beautiful.
In 2 days' time, there will be a Young Talents competition from the Train City for whoever loves painting and sculpturing.
Great! I will make a colorful still life painting. I have a wonderful idea. I will fashion a vase from clay.
We should draw a
draw a
landscape, a forest, maybe, or a river.
So what are you going to do then? Whatever we do, we are going to win first place, I say. See you at the competition, guys. Sam Sparky, so what are we going to draw or mold? Well, the first thing we do is see what others are creating, and then we shall decide. Painting is all about the brushwork. The more touches you make, the better it gets. Not enough dashes. I I need much more strokes than that. Yeah, so Ethan is a pretty strong competitor. We could never paint such a great piece as him, guys.
Wow, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna draw a forest.
And I'll draw a river.
Sam Sparky, wait.
The girls are strong painters too, I'm afraid. We couldn't paint such a great landscape.
Oh, guys, does hay soak up rain fast?
Well, wait and see.
There is an indisputable similarity. Yet something is missing. The handles are missing. That's weird. It's exactly the same as the picture.
Well, guys, George is excellent with clay. We would never manage a pot like this. Hey!
Well, that's a whole different story. Now it looks almost the same. How could we get the first place if they're all so talented, Sam Sparky?
I just figured out a really good idea.
That's amazing. What a resemblance. Where's Sam Sparky himself?
Sam Sparky isn't feeling well. He couldn't make it here.
That's too bad. The first prize goes to the bronze Sam Sparky statue. Congratulations!
Oh, please forgive us. We just wanted to surprise everybody. But unfortunately, we failed.
Oh no, you didn't fail to surprise us. We shall give a first place prize to all the participants for their talent and their creativity.
Guys, let's play tag.
It's boring. Then let's play hide and seek.
But we've played that 100 times.
Then the game of silence.
And what are the rules?
I'll tell you. Did you get it? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Say no words, the game is on.
Sam Sparky, are you home? We're going to watch a movie. Are you with us?
He doesn't want to? Okay. I guess we'll go without him.
Oh, Arnold, help me, please. The gates are narrow. I can't fit in. You show me the way. I don't want to hit the gates. Oh. Now, do you see what happened? Then why didn't you say something?
Vera, I told you that you should call me when it boils, and now the whole family is hungry because of you. You could say you're sorry. What does mean? Doctor, please help my son.
Now, what do we have? Flu, or are you running a temperature?
Worse. My son doesn't talk.
What? Another one? We have seen 7 others that don't talk.
There's an epidemic in Traisn City! Kids can't talk! We must take emergency measures!
Yes. My son hasn't talked in 2 days.
And mine.
And mine.
Everybody is silent? It means they are playing a game. Hey kids, are you playing the game of silence? We will cure all of you now. What should we say? Oh, I've got it. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now you're free.
Finally, we can speak.
I would never talk first.
I wouldn't either.
And I can keep silent for a whole week.
And I for 1 year.
We forgot that we were once kids like them.
And I used to play the game of silence, and let me tell you a secret. Once I kept silent for 4 days.
Ethan, what's on your mind?
I'm going on a real expedition. I want to find treasure. Are you with me?
Isn't it dangerous?
George, don't be so scared. This will be fun. Looking for treasure will be a real adventure.
Really? Where can we find treasure?
On the island. All pirates hide their treasure on islands.
I read somewhere that all the treasure has already been found. Okay, I'm with you.
That is a brilliant idea. I want to go to the island too.
Maybe we should join them.
No way! We don't need these kids. We'll find the island first, and all the treasure will be ours.
Hey guys, we are so far from the city, and it is so dangerous. I fear something terrible is coming. Hi.
Look, a desert island. We have finally found it.
But how can we get there? The river is moving too quickly.
I have an idea.
They're making a raft.
Ah, poor kids. I have a better idea.
Is it too far?
The water, it's so wet.
I don't know. I'll ask someone now.
Where do pirates usually hide their treasure?
Where is it hard to get? For example, on that hill? Let's go.
Oh, wow.
It is huge. There will be so much treasure.
Treasure? Let me see. Oh. Wait,
George, if you were a pirate, where would you hide your treasure?
I've read that treasures are always marked with a rock or even a skeleton.
Hey, look! There is a huge rock on the hill.
Good job, Vera. Let's go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Now we're close. Treasure, here we come. Hello?
Hey guys, you could have stayed in that pit forever.
We just wanted to be the ones to find the treasure first. It's such a pity we did not find any treasure.
Who said we didn't find any treasure? I think our friends are treasure for sure.
It's better now?
Yes, my dear. It's much better now.
Yes, everything's in order.
Ethan, let's go. Vera is crying.
What happened?
Okay, go on.
Vera, why are you crying like a girl?
Well, Ethan, she is a girl.
You couldn't understand. It's poetry.
What is that?
What do we have here? And I came to the path of dusk since I lost the only way back. A little rain poured drops of dream and life was running very, very, very badly. The night was willing to show me the stars, the wind was howling too sadly. Loneliness, it was too late to find the price of tears. So what's the problem?
Didn't you understand? This is a very sad poem, Ethan.
Yes, it's so melancholy.
What's so sad?
He can't understand it. He's just a senseless and heartless piece of iron.
Me? This is too much. Am I senseless? Am I heartless? This is just too much. I am most sensitive. I can show them tears. I will show them I can cry. My tears will be everywhere. They will drown in my tears. Just wait and see. Pale and sleepy dandelion, greens and whites. Ahem. Very little kitty. Very little, very, very. Even smaller than a rabbit. And it's raining and it's autumn. Come on, Kitty in Autumn is so melancholy and it's also very sad.
Did you get it, Vera?
It's just some rubbish.
It's not rubbish. Come on, let's go have some fun and play with something.
I'm really not in the mood to play anything.
Well, what mood are you in?
I'm in melancholia.
What is that exactly?
You wouldn't understand it.
Stop saying that. I can understand everything. Everything I want to, all right? Okay, poetry. What do we have here? And I came to the path of dusk. Very good. I am here, and there's some dust. So far, so good. How long is the path? There is no distance here. Okay, what's next? Since I lost the only way back. That's true. I don't know the way back home. Everything is as it says. Everything is right. A little rain for drops of dreams. Hey, it says a little rain. Ow! The night was willing to show me the stars above. The wind was howling sadly.
Ethan, are you home?
I don't know where he is. I'm beginning to be worried about him.
Where can we find him?
Ethan is where you'll hear someone sobbing.
This is what melancholia is. This is when there are no friends, no mother, and when it's 11:30 and I'm alone and I don't know the way back home. I don't know how to get back. Oh, guys! Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy you found me. I was all alone here, and also, I understood how sad the poem really is.
Thank you so much.
See you tomorrow.
You know, I didn't think he was so sensitive.
Well, that's just the power of poetry.
interesting place?
Yes, visiting a museum is an interesting educational activity.
Gee, I love everything interesting and what did you call it? Educational?
Hey guys, where are you going?
George and I are going to the museum. Come with us. It's absolutely great there.
Oh, I can't come. I'm moving my grandma's belongings. Could you help me?
Well, we will. Later, for sure. Now we're late for the museum.
Oh, never mind. You go. I will manage myself.
Vera, I promise you on my word. We will help you. What a weird-looking puff.
This is an ancient Sphinx puff.
Where is his nose, then?
This is the great riddle of history. There are many versions, but none are approved.
Hey, look! Nesting blocks!
These are not nesting blocks. These are huge pyramids. Do you know who built them?
Who built them?
The Egyptians. These are the Egyptian pyramids.
Wow.
It was very hard work indeed, Ethan, but the results would make you so proud.
Yeah, I wish I could go there. What a job! It's so really hard, isn't it?
It's been an easy part until now. Now we need to lift the rocks up to the top.
Huh? Up there to the very top? George, we won't make it.
There are many jacks and gears. We will arrange something, just trust me. Now get ready, let's jump.
Oops.
We stepped short, but the riddle of the Sphinx is solved, I guess. Now pull.
Yes, we did it. We're great.
Yes, we are. Oh, look. There's Vera down there.
This stupid rock.
Don't worry. We will help you. Listen, Vera's really waiting for us there.
Huh? But we just came here.
We have to help out our friends first. The museum can wait a while. We can come here later with Vera.
You're right. Let's go, Ethan.
No, let's run! Here we are. Sorry for making you wait.
I'm afraid we wouldn't make it, even the three of us. Just look at this huge pyramid over here.
Pyramid, you're saying?
Oh, wow, that's great.
These museums are very helpful.
Guys, let's have a rest. My wheels are falling off.
Fine. We'll stop for a moment.
Is it too far, guys?
First, we should reach the big oak. Then, we'll cross the humpback bridge. We go around the thorn bushes, and we are in the flower field.
No way! That's gonna take forever. I know the shortest way. Who's coming? You are lucky to have me. We'll be in the field in 5 minutes, and it will take them half a day to get there.
Oh, did you fall into a swamp?
Are you afraid? It's not too deep. Come on, follow me. Aye!
Oi!
How long should I wait for you?
Wait! I can't see anything at all.
I can't see either.
Calm down. No need to panic. When you're going straight, never look back.
Ah!
Look where you're falling.
I couldn't see at all.
How are we gonna get out of here?
That's easy. I'll show you how to do that. What are you staring at? Push me, quickly.
Oi! Oi!
You're such weaklings. I shouldn't have come with you. What now?
Maybe we can go that way.
Oi!
Fantastic! Why did you get us in these thorns?
Me? But you told us yourself that we should only go straight forward.
It doesn't matter. You should make your own decisions. It will take us a year to reach the field.
So beautiful. What an amazing field.
This is the most beautiful place I've ever been to. I'm so happy we came here, guys. Oh, monsters!
Run!
Where do you see monsters? That's us. Sam Sparky.
Oh, that's right. You took the shortest road. Well, now you know that the straight road is not always the shortest.
And the long road can be so beautiful that you forget about your tiredness and time.
Hey, George, what on earth was that?
You know, guys, I wanted to get new super speed fuel, but I guess I will have a super row with my mom.
Don't worry, George. You're the smartest train I know.
Of course, George. You are a genius.
Knowledge is power. And I like it a lot. All right then, my friends. We need to clean everything up here before my mom comes back.
See you then. Ew, I don't really want to do homework today, Vera.
You know something? A friend of mine from out of town never does her homework.
Huh, how do they study then?
They have a special jam for studying. I mean it, really.
I think I need to learn more about mathematics, Vera.
Well, I like geography. It's green as apples, which means it's effective. And you know something? Some trains just don't want to retain new knowledge, Ethan. That's just the way it is. I'm serious about it.
Hey, look, Vera. Maybe you can bring some jam for studying about this.
Of course I can, Ethan. Now it's time to do my homework. And remember, knowledge is power.
Mira, you seem to know geography perfectly.
How did you memorize the names of the oceans, the countries, the continents?
Well, thanks to this awesome jam, I just turned some screws.
Maybe you brought some math with you as well.
No, unfortunately. You know what? My friend likes studying so much, and she's eaten all the jam. She just left a few tasty geography screws for me. I turned them around and left her. But next time, I'll definitely bring something. Really and truly.
My poor girl. She's really tired. She's been doing homework all night. Thanks so much, you guys.
Well, no, Vera didn't do her homework. She just ate her jam for studying. With screws, actually.
Jam for studying? Oh, Ethan, you can't get knowledge just by turning the screws, you know, dear. Vera was just fantasizing.
So you mean that she just made it all up? That she just wanted to make fun of us?
Hey, Anthony, let's make fun of her as well.
I agree. She deserves everything that's coming.
Vera, you're not gonna believe it. We now know George's secret.
Really? We do?
Well, well, what do we have for dinner today?
George ate the entire encyclopedia. Now he knows everything.
I don't believe you.
Try it yourself then.
Here you are, Vera, the amazing and mechanical dictionary.
You don't want to eat the book?
Oh, but it's so effective.
Look, guys, I'm really sorry. I made everything up. There's no jam for studying things, and I don't want to eat the dictionary.
We know that. But you know what, Vera? That was fun.
Guys, knowledge is power. Just look what I've invented here.